All right, guys, welcome back to Jekyll and Hydes, and today we got another, pretty much an exclusive. We haven't done one of these before, but we have done this color before. If you guys were with us on one of the previous videos, we actually did a Lambo Urus, and we wrapped it in this color, which is acid green. It was a full wrap. But on this vehicle, which is the MachE, this is a fully electric vehicle, Ford Mustang, right, 2022. We actually did the accents. And I always say, sometimes you don't have to do a full wrap. Sometimes the accents make the biggest difference. And as you see on this vehicle, this is simply the case. Take a look. So what we did is we did the acid green on the front end. You can see on the lip. You can also see, this is very custom right here. The Mustang is outlined right in acid green. Take a look at that, right? Very, very cool. If you come on around to the side, I'll show you guys what we did on the side. Check out these wheels, guys. Combo, black lip, polished black with the green, acid green accent on the wheels. Makes this thing look totally unique. We also did the side mirrors. We did the badges. As you can see, MachE is in acid green. Also, take a look at the top, guys. We love doing the top, and we often we create this contrast with the car and the top, right? Makes the entire vehicle pop. Again, the small things make the biggest difference. You can see on the back, we also have the wheels. If you come around to the very back, you'll see that the badge, the Mustang on the back, is outlined in acid green also. We also did the wing in acid green. So there you have it, guys. MachE 2022 Ford Mustang, fully electric, which is becoming very popular here at Jekyll and Hydes. And as you guys know, if you've been looking at the market, fully electric vehicles are taking over. With that being said, if you guys need your car wrapped, accents, anything done in terms of body work, repair, brake calipers, paint correction, and after that, you'll do a ceramic coating, right? So if you need any of that, guys, don't hesitate, come down to Jekyll and Hydes. We can do it for you. William Agnew, 2022 Mustang. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.